Hi, this is Jessica Bowman with SEOinhouse.com, and I'm here with Becky Westmoreland from E! Entertainment, the TV channel, and G4. So we've been at PubCon all week. What are kind of the big takeaways and themes that you have that you're going to take back to your team?
I think there's been a lot for me, especially learning in the global and mobile areas, which is newer topics for me in search, and because I've been doing just desktop primarily my career, and so those sessions were very helpful. And like Ann Kennedy was particularly she had a lot of good information in her global SEO session, so I think I'll be taking that away.
Great. So it's really about understanding that mobile's here. SEOs today really need to start learning about mobile and how the mobile bots are reading your site, and you need to be very aware of this and working with developers on it.
Absolutely, and that's the key for in-house, is that with mobile being more and more important, more people getting smartphones, it's very important to at least either have responsive design, or if you're doing a mobile site, are you making sure that it's findable or that you're getting the users to the right site, etc.
Yeah. And you know, I was in a session and they were talking about, is there really value in responsive design? Do you think the search engines are going to start giving sites with responsive design extra credit? In essence, they'll rank higher. And a lot of the debate was probably not. But there will be a little bit of a halo effect as the result of doing the responsive design, where they were saying basically you're going to have better click-through rates and lower bounce rates, and that's going to cause your rankings to go up. Have you guys thought about that? Are you thinking about that? Do you have an opinion that differs?
I think actually responsive design will be rewarded, but only because it makes the site faster. And so speed is very important to Google, and responsive design makes that faster. If you look at a typical non-responsive design website, that if you're not loading a mobile version, it's very slow. Okay. I mean, you're thinking on 3G, it could be anywhere to 30 seconds to a minute, and nobody's going to wait for that. The back button is really easy on a mobile phone, just like on your desktop, and I think that's why they were right, but they were also not completely right in what they were saying.
But it's the attributes that come along with it. It's not that the checkbox says, yes, it's responsive design. It's the things that come along with it. If you have slow responsive design, then you're not going to get that extra effect, right?
But I wouldn't expect if you were doing responsive design that it would be slow, because I've not experienced that environment yet.
That's very good for you guys who might be a little hesitant about responsive design. Everyone I've talked to about it seemed to have very positive experiences. So that's very good to hear that we have another person kind of saying the same exact thing.